An individual turn is when one student in the class is called on to respond to a question after the teacher has posed a question to the class. Individual turns are most commonly used with divergent questions. Divergent questions may have multiple correct answers or be lengthy. Utilize an individual turn response format whenever the response is divergent or lengthy. An example of a divergent question is, what lessons do you think this chapter gives about teamwork? When utilizing individual turns during questioning in direct instruction lessons, there are a few key elements to remember to ensure these are effective and maintain high levels of engagement. First, individual turns should be presented in a random and maximally unpredictable manner to increase student attentiveness and engagement. Students should not raise hands or call out to participate. The individual student name should be called after the question is posed to ensure all students are prepared to participate and respond after hearing the question. In a reading mastery lesson script, these questions are indicated with call on a student following the question. Call on a student indicates that a teacher should call an individual student name after the question has been posed and think time has been provided. Once the individual student responds, the teacher should affirm the response, if it's correct, and then regroup the question if appropriate, posing it as a question to the whole class in a group response format.
What supplies would you need to write a bunch of stories? Individual turn. Kennedy.
Like a pencil.
A pencil. What's one supply you would need, class?
A pencil.
What is another supply you would need? George?
Paper.
Paper. What's another supply you would need, class?
Paper.
Yes, paper.